Hi, my name is Darcy Walsh, and this is my Sports Around the World project, Part A, and the sport I chose is cricket. Before we get started, I think it's helpful if everyone just takes a quick look at this introduction video. I did so at the start of my research, and it helped me a lot in understanding the sport. Cricket was originated as early as the 13th century, although the first laws were not written until 1744 in England. At first, the equipment consisted of a tree stump, a stone, and a bat that was more so shaped like a hockey stick. A few people got together and started throwing a stone at a tree stump, and had one person on the batter's side trying to hit the ball. A big part of the development of the sport was in the 19th century when bowling was switched to overhand pitching. The sport used to be very batter dominant, whereas nowadays the pitcher has the advantage. So concepts and rules. There's two teams of 11 players. It's played on an oval field with a rectangle area in the middle, which is referred to as the pitch. Teams take turn batting and bowling or pitching, and it is played in similar to baseball where there are innings. So one team's on offense and then one team's on defense. When you're batting, you're trying to score runs, and when you're bowling or pitching, you're trying to prevent the other team from scoring runs. The team that scores the most points in the end wins the game. The bowler throws the ball, attempting to hit the wicket, whereas the batter is trying to hit the ball before it hits the wicket. The batter takes on several strategies, whether they want to be more offensive and try to score points for their team, or sometimes they'll be more in a defensive role, just trying to prevent the other team from hitting the wicket. So, the International Cricket Council oversees all of cricket playing throughout the world. It includes 106 members from Africa, Asia, East Asia Pacific, Europe, and the Americas. They are responsible for governing and administrating the sport. They hold events such as the Cricket World Cup, the Champions Trophy, the Women's World Cup, and the T20 World Cup. Cricket is most popular in India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Australia. The most popular leagues in the world include the Caribbean Premier League, NatWest T20 Blast, Pakistan Super League, the Big Bash League, and the Indian Premier League. The Indian Premier League is seen as the best or most prestigious league in the world by most. Cricket does not have a big presence in North America, although the popularity has increased in the last decade. As you can see with the graphic on the left, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Australia have the most popularity when it comes to cricket. The reason I feel that cricket is not very popular in North America is it already has 4 very established professional leagues, and it is very difficult for any other sport to compete with those. The profile of participants. For North American context, a cricket player usually possesses a similar skill set that a baseball player has. To be considered good at the sport, you need to have good hand-eye coordination. You need to be able to run fast. You need to have good technique, whether that means batting or pitching. A strong catching ability, and a high fitness level. Like any sport, it takes a tremendous amount of commitment and dedication to make it to the highest level. The biggest event for cricket is the ICC World Cup, which takes place every 4 years. Other big events include the ICC Champions Trophy, the Women's World Cup, the T20 World Cup, and the ICC U19 Cricket World Cup. As mentioned previously, the biggest professional leagues include the Caribbean Premier League, the NatWest T20 Blast, the Pakistan Super League, the Big Bash League, and the Indian Premier League. The first radio broadcast for cricket was in 1924, and it was first televised in the 1950s. The ICC oversees everything from TV broadcasting to marketing rights. They partner with other corporations in order to increase popularity. A company by the name of Star India has the broadcasting rights for the Indian Premier League. There's little to no exposure in North America. I've personally never seen any highlights or broadcasting available in my region. The ICC partners with the following companies and corporations in an attempt to grow the popularity of the sport. The global partners include Nissan, OPPO, MRF Tires, Booking.com, BYJUs, and Emirates. The official partners include MoneyGram, Bureau 91, Coca-Cola, Star Sports, and UP Stocks. Licensed products include a bat, ball, helmet, leg guards, thigh pads, perhaps a mouth guard as well. Perhaps the most important pieces of equipment include the stump wicket, which is what the pitcher throws the ball at, and then the bat. Last but not least, I have included a reference page at the end of the presentation.